If you want to learn, please come and join us. The time is now and forevermore. I love French. French is sweet. I will read, write, and speak French. If you want to learn, please come and join us. De time française. J'aime apprendre la langue française. La langue française est une langue étrangère. La langue française est une langue romantique. La langue française est une langue internationale. Et vous, vous aimez la langue française? Vous aimez apprendre la langue française? Bonjour! Bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Hello esteemed viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learn French with Precious Adeze. Here we teach you everything you need to know in French language. We'll help you speak French under 3 months of intensive tutoring. Soyez le bienvenu. So today we'll be learning how to use the subject pronouns tu and vous. You know, these pronouns, some students find it difficult as to where to use them, the right places to use them in a sentence. So today I'm going to be teaching you so you no longer find them difficult to use. But before that, a word of prayer. Seigneur, montre-nous ton visage, parlez Seigneur pour tes serviteurs écoute. Au nom du Père et du Fils et du Saint-Esprit. Amen. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to use the subject pronoun tu and vous. À la fin de ce cours, les étudiants seront être capables d'utiliser le pronom sujet tu et vous. Now, how do we use this subject pronoun tu and vous? Now, tu is a singular subject pronoun used for one person. Used also for our friends and families, people that we are familiar with. That is why it is called an informal expression. So whenever you are using tu, it means that you know the person very well, you are in the same level with the person, and also you are indicating singular. Now let us look at this example. To a Nigerian, are you a Nigerian? Tu parles français, you speak French. Now looking at these two sentences, you see that me using to a Nigerian, are you a Nigerian, means that that person is one and that I know the person very well, that we are in the same level. That is why I use the tu for the person. Then in the second sentence I said, tu parles français, you speak French. The person I'm directing it to, I'm familiar with the person, I know the person. Yes, that is why I use it that way. Now let's go to vous. Vous is a subject pronoun used for more than one person or an adult or a stranger, someone that we do not know, to show respect. Because when you meet someone out there, you don't know the person, you don't know if the person is older than you. So when you're using vous, is to show respect. So that is why we usually call vous a formal expression. Now look at this sentence now. Vous êtes Nigerian? Are you a Nigerian? Vous parlez français? You speak French. Now when you look at the first sentence, vous êtes Nigerian, if the person I'm directing it to will be an adult, or that I don't know the person, so I used it to show respect. And also, when you want to use vous êtes Nigerian, it could be for more than one person. More than one person. So you direct the question to them, vous êtes Nigerian, are you Nigerians? So these are how to use the subject pronoun, the tu and vous. And remember also, French people use tu when they are talking to God, because we believe that God is our Father. He hears us whenever we call upon Him. Like the relationship is intimate. So we use tu for our God. So hope you learned something from this lesson. Will you still make the same mistake? If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section. See you some other times. Au revoir.